Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather Gearhart. Thanks for tuning in today. Today we're going to continue our organization series. If you missed the last one, I did my pantry. It looks good now. But this time we're going into my closet, and in my defense, I have no dressers in my bedroom, and so all of my clothes go in the closet, and there was massive, huge shelves in there that I could not actually undo the shelf and adjust it. So everything just kind of got thrown in there. So enough excuses. Want to see how to organize your closet on a budget? Stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so as you will see later on, I'll show you all of the things that I purchased, and instead of having a huge list of stuff in the description box, I have decided to open an Amazon shop and put it under home organization. And so I'll have one link in the description box and it will take you to my Amazon store, which has a whole bunch of beauty products I love, home organization stuff, etc., some other stuff. So if you're interested in any of the products that you see on here, click that link in the description box below and you can check all of them out. Okay. Also, I had a company send me some labels. They are chalkboard labels with a chalkboard marker, and I had used some other ones and I was so excited because I am kind of organizing everything and labeling stuff. And so they sent me some stuff for free to review. It is not sponsored, I don't get paid, but I did get the product for free. But I'm gonna try them out and see if they're actually better than other labels and if they will actually wipe clean so that you can reuse them, because I have found that some of the other ones that I got do not. So we'll check that out, and if those are amazing, I'm gonna have the link to theirs in the description box below. So my closet was really bad, but I initially started it out organized where everything was stacked and folded, and then over the last couple of years, sometimes it just gets thrown in there. I mean, I'm busy. Anyway, I decided that the year of 2020 was going to be an organization year of things that are behind closed doors that everybody else doesn't see, but that I see, and get things organized. And the reason that I'm doing this is because I feel like the more organized everything is in the home, the more peaceful it is. It's calmer. You can find things. You actually know what you have. I mean, some of the stuff I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot I even had this. And you can actually declutter things and get rid of things that you haven't worn in over a year, or things that are in drawers, like the kitchen that you never use, or they're broken. I mean, stuff that just gets piled up. And once everything is clean, it is so easy to keep everything organized. Everyone in the house is a little more calm. Really, it's me. But I think everybody else likes it in my house, unless they put something in the wrong spot.
You called down the thunder, well now you got it. You tell them I'm coming, and hell's coming with me, you hear? Hell's coming with me!
Wrath of mom. It does actually make things a lot easier and easier to find in the home. So let's go into my closet. No judgment.
Okay, this is really embarrassing, but I don't have dressers, so my clothes just get, sort of folded and then thrown up in here in my closet. We're gonna be organizing this. Same thing with this. This is kind of the underwear drawer, also towels and purses. So I got these little boxes off Amazon. They have different compartment sizes to get all of your stuff nice and organized. So we're gonna be putting this all together. So embarrassing. All right, I think the closet is pretty much done. Over here, I just organized shoes to where I've got tall boots back there in the corner, and then all the shoes on the bottom 2 rows there. As far as clothing goes, I went skirts and then I did it color coordinated. So I've got black and gray, white colors, and then up here with sweaters, the same thing as far as like red and gray and jackets, just kind of so that those are all together. And then these cupboards were the ones that were awful. So this is what we have done. starting from the top, I've got sheets up there, extra sheets. And then here is all of the beach towels. And in these bins here, I've got my swimsuits. So I just put those in those, as far as 2 of those for tops and bottoms. And then I bought these shelves. These are 14 bucks on Amazon. I'll have them linked below because these shelves are pretty hard to move, and it's such a huge space here that it all just got kind of piled in there. So I've got colored jeans at the top, black jeans, blue jeans, and then I've got yoga pants and sweatpants there. And then down here on the bottom, I have all of my tank tops, which are now color coordinated, long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, shorts, and workout shorts. So to show you the whole thing now, it just has some shelving in there. And this is obviously done on a budget. I could have bought much more expensive things, but just to get it organized and ready, that is what we are looking at. And then this cabinet was a huge mess. And going from the top, I've got purses up there. This next shelf is color coordinated with scarves. We've got towels. And then I went ahead and bought another one of these shelving units and organizers for socks and underwear and bras and things like that. And I just went with like fuzzy socks, Christmas socks, regular ones, all in order. This thing for underwear is really cool. Stuff for workout bras, regular bras, workout bras, strapless bras, things like that, so that they're all different. And up here I've got hats in there. And then on the bottom I've got all my nail supplies, so I've got them in bins there, and the gel and the dip powder machines, and then that is some miscellaneous stuff just in a tote. So that's what that one looks like. And I did all of this for less than $100, including 3 shelving units, all of those organizers. I had one left over at that tote I got from the Dollar Tree, that little white one. I had one left over, so I did ties in there for my husband. And then as far as laundry, we had the same two laundry baskets from like 20 years ago. So I bought this one, and I really like it because it has 4 different compartments. So I've got darks, lights, whites, and delicates, and it's all on one rack, and it's on wheels. So I can just take the whole thing like this into the laundry room, or if I just want to take one, these do just pull up and lift out, and you can just carry it as needed for loads. But this thing was really cool. My son and I built this in like 10 minutes, if that, and I love it. I got it in gray, so I'll have that linked below as well. So that's my closet. Okay, so this is the Savvy and Sorted chalkboard labels that were sent to me. It comes with small, medium, and large, and there's like over 96 of them, I think, and the pen. And it was pretty amazing, the amount that you get for this. I think it's $7.99 for this entire pack for 96 of them. There's the pen, and here are the labels. Cute little patterns and shapes. Does take a while to get the pen going. Ouch. This is an old one I did last week with a regular chalk marker pen. And you can see it's not coming off. So these ones are not reusable. Once they are on, they are on, at least with this other marker. It says wet wipe chalk ink, writes on chalkboard, plastic, glass, or metal. Shake well, replace firmly. This does not come off of this. So I'm gonna do it on this and see if it comes off of this or if it's the marker that actually works, the chalk marker. So, this is brown chalk. All right, we're gonna do that. I've already tried to wipe this off. Does not come off. This is just water. Let's try and erase it on bread. Okay, that totally comes off. Completely comes off. Let's try it with this one. Totally comes off. So these ones, the actual stickers are the key. You can use any chalk marker, but these you can reuse and change them. That is really awesome. These were $7.99 for a ton of these. How many do you even get in here? 40 large, 30 medium, 18 small. In this set, it's a huge amount and you can reuse them. These things are awesome. Really like this. Try the Savvy and Sorted. I will have a link in the description box because these ones you can actually reuse, which is super, super cool. I'm gonna be using these. I'm gonna now put this on the bread one. Let's do this. Bread. Didn't actually have this labeled before with bread, so we're gonna do it now. And there it is. Love it. This is even an open hold thing, but I just went ahead and put that on there anyway, and it works just fine.
Okay, that is it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check the description box below to check out any of these items, and subscribe and hit the bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a new video. The bathroom is coming next, the drawers and the cupboards underneath it, and I got some stuff from the Dollar Tree store. And it's so organized now and I love it. So that is coming next on the organization videos, and I'll have all sorts of other videos from recipes to makeup and everything in between. So I hope you'll consider subscribing. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.